All right, well, once you have your route figured out that you want to take, and now you get to your vehicle, and what do you do next? So you might create the route on an iPad or create it on a home computer, but the bottom line is you got to play it back into your vehicle. I use an iPhone. You could use an iPad, but I hook it up, right? And then I go into the RV Life app. I click on that. Then you click on trips. I click on trips and I'm just gonna click this one here that I've created already called Midwest Trip 2. I'm gonna navigate to the first stop and it calculates it. Now, how do I get it on the screen of my vehicle? Well, I got a 2020 Toyota Tundra, so I'm able to just plug this in using this cord. It plugs into the right USB jack on the vehicle, and I just go to map. And I gotta make sure I hit the right map because you could have Google Maps and you could have the regular, in my case, Apple Maps. So I click on this applications, the six dots there, and I am going to look for the right app. And there it is, RV Life. I click on that, and the first stop I have on this is Bald Eagle State Park, and it's 3 hours, 54 minutes away. I'm going to hit go.
Let's go.
And so it's going to show me how to,
After 400 feet, turn right and then turn left.
it's going to show me how to navigate to get there. But you got to make sure that you're in the RV trip, because if I hit map, it won't let me toggle out of it. I've had times when if I hit map, it'll toggle to other maps because you have maps on iPhone, and that just tells me where I am. And if I go to maps in terms of Google Maps, it'll tell me where I am, but that doesn't tell me the route. So you got to make sure you use RV Life, and that's what's going to help me to follow the route that I've already predetermined. Alrighty, you have a great day.